In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress images before inserting them in Dreamweaver. This process is essential for optimizing your website's performance and ensuring quick loading times. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your image in an image editor. You can use Photoshop, GIMP, Canva, or even an online image compressor. Each of these tools has its strengths, so choose one that you are comfortable with. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for all the adjustments you'll make next. Once your image is open, the next step is to resize it. Typically, website images do not need to be larger than 1200 pixels wide. Keeping your images at this width helps maintain quality while optimizing loading speed. It's a simple adjustment that can significantly enhance user experience on your site. After resizing your image, it's time to export it. If you're working with photos, save them as a JPG. For logos or images that require transparency, opt for PNG. If you want better website speed, consider using WebP format. These formats are selected to balance quality and performance. Next up is reducing the image quality. For JPG images, set the quality to around 70 to 80%. This range gives you a good blend of quality and file size. For PNG images, you can use compression tools available within the software. This helps in minimizing the file size without losing much quality, ensuring that your pages load swiftly. With your image compressed, save it with a simple and descriptive name. Examples include banner.jpg or logo.png. Naming your files clearly is important because it helps you stay organized and makes it easier to locate files later. Now that your images are ready, open Dreamweaver. This software is where you'll build and manage your website. Having Dreamweaver open allows you to easily insert your newly compressed images into your web pages. To insert the compressed image, navigate to the menu and select Insert, then Image, and choose your file. This action places your image on the page where you want it. You'll see how smoothly the image integrates into your design thanks to the earlier compression steps. Finally, don't forget to save your page. This ensures that all the changes you've made, including the insertion of your optimized images, are retained. Saving your work regularly is a good habit that prevents data loss. By following these steps, you enhance both the performance and aesthetics of your website. Compressing images before inserting them into Dreamweaver is not just a technical task, it's a crucial aspect of web design that impacts user experience. Remember, efficient image management leads to faster websites, which keeps your visitors engaged and happy. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep practicing these steps and you'll see a noticeable improvement in your website's speed and efficiency. Until next time, happy designing!